Okay, here we have the flow that is coming from my roof and the stormwater runoff. You can see it's not great. However, if I spin around to this side, you can see a much greater flow coming from somewhere up here. And this flow is at least 4 times greater than the flow from our drain. This flow is from Gould Street, a council-owned road. One of the mentions of what's blocking the drain is gravel. Now, as we look at this, we can see that council has a lot of loose gravel on the edge of this road. That gravel is washing across into my yard, along with overflow from the council road, which is flooding my yard, as you can see up here. This is all coming from the road. This then flows through into my yard and down, flooding my front yard. Now this flow also continues across into our property Now the flow comes down here to where council recently installed what I thought was originally a speed hump. However, this construction, I am told, is to stop our water from going into the stormwater drain. As you can see, in the 2 weeks since it's been installed, quite a bit of erosion has been caused. Perhaps council need to look at what is driving gravel into that stormwater drain down there where our water used to flow before council blocked it off.